and welcome back to the G&P Trucking YouTube channel. I'm Jim Davis, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you drivers how to use the CAT scale app to weigh your loads. Here at G&P, anytime you get a load that's 40,000 pounds or heavier, you're going to want to weigh it, especially if you're going through Georgia or Tennessee or Kentucky. But I'm at Kisswire. This load is 41,728 pounds. I've got a Love's right around the corner, so we're gonna go weigh it. But before we do that, let me show you where I've got my tandems. They were all the way to the rear. I don't know how well this is showing up, but I'm currently in the 10th hole. And here we are at the CAT scale. Now the traditional way of doing this, you'll cut your truck off and you'll press that call button right there, and then the attendant will come over and you'll give your truck information, trailer information, company information, all that, and they'll tell you to come on in. You'll find a place to park, and that's where you'll actually get the paper ticket. What I'm going to show you today is a bit of a shortcut. It's one of the useful applications available to you G&P drivers. It's called the Weigh My Truck. It's got the CAT scale logo on it. Using this will prevent you from having to go inside. You will not have a paper version, but you will get the information and you will get emailed a PDF. I do recommend setting this app up in advance of pulling onto the scale, and also just put your fuel card in there, the entire fuel card, and that's how you'll pay for each of your scale tickets each time. But the way it works is real simple. What you'll do after you've installed the app is open the Weigh My Truck app. Really all you'll have to do is just put your current trailer number in, accept the fee, which will be billed to G&P, no out-of-pocket costs for the driver, and we are a little heavy on the trailer. Okay, based on these weights, I want to move about 1,000 pounds up on my drives to take off the tandems. Now, there's more than one way to slide with precision. We all know, approximately each hole is about 250 pounds. The method I like to personally use is to use one of these. It's called a tandem stopper. I need to slide 4 holes if it's 250 a hole. Here's how you use a tandem stopper. I'm going to be pulling forward, and I want to go 4 holes, so I'm going to put my tandem stopper right there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 hole slide. We're going to pull up in. Boom. Now forward. Boom. Feel the bump. When you feel the bump, just change direction so you can take the tension off. We'll press our button back in, and it's in between. If I pull up, I'm going to be in the 14. That will give us our 4 holes, our 1,000 pounds, and we should be good. But now let's reweigh it. And we'll go back to the CAT scale app. But this time, we'll do a reweigh. All the information is the same. It's only $2 this time versus $11.50. And if our calculations in tandem sliding was correct, we should be good. And boom, we are good to go. So that is how easy the CAT scale app is. It's a major time saver, prevents you from having to go inside, wait in line. Just if you have to adjust, just find a place that's safe, that you're out of the way, that you can do your tandem adjusting, and then you'll pull back on for a reweigh. The only real disadvantage of doing it this way is you don't get a paper ticket to say leave with the bills if you T-call. But thanks to each and every one of you for watching this video. If you have any kind of questions about using the Weigh My Truck app or sliding tandems, just let us know in the comments below. But until next time, we'll see you in the next video.